Now, I know a lot of you guys have been avoiding AI because nerds like me have made it seem like this really technical, daunting thing. However, the truth is that in 2021, it's easy to use AI to make more money in your business. So this is for those of you who are really serious about your business and you care about having a competitive advantage over your competition. Now is when you have to jump on AI before they realize how easy this thing has become. So, because of that, I'm going to give you 2 ways in which you can use this technology to improve your business and to increase your sales, especially if you have an e-commerce store. As well as that, I'm going to tell you the exact online services that you need to be using to make this as easy as possible for your developers. First service we're going to be discussing is a tool called Algolia. I'm going to have the link to it in the description. I'm not affiliated, so it's not benefiting me in any way. This is just for you guys. Now, I've done a lot of trial and error with this, so I can just tell you exactly what you need to be doing with it. This tool is for your search bar. What Algolia is basically a semantic search system, but for simplicity, we can call it smart search. Now, what smart search is, as opposed to keyword search, is it determines the actual intent behind what the user is typing into the search bar. So instead of simply matching words, it's matching intent. And the reason why this is important is because the majority of times when a user abandons a search is because the results that are being displayed on the screen is not matching the intent that they had when they initially executed the search. So if you're better able to match that intent and show them relevant results on your site, that has a much higher conversion rate. And of course, higher conversion rate will lead to higher sales. So Algolia, use it in your search bar, make your developers know about it. Okay, so that's that. And here is the second tool I want you guys to take a look at. And this is a tool called Clevlu. It might be pronounced differently, but we're just going to call it Clevlu because it's not important how it sounds, it's what it does. Clevlu is a recommendation system powered by AI. And the main purpose of this is to provide recommendations during, before, and after you make a sale to your customer. Now, this is as opposed to a tag-based recommendation system. And I'm going to use a quick example to demonstrate the differences. So let's say you have an e-commerce store. And let's say somebody is about to or has purchased an oven. On an e-commerce store, generally you will tag an oven as an appliance. So more than likely, if you're using a tag-based recommendation system, it's going to show the user other ovens, or maybe a fridge, maybe a toaster, random other appliances, right? Now, if you're using something like Clevlu, which is a smart system, it would probably try to determine that, okay, the user has looked at our oven, potentially they'll be interested in oven mitts. Do you see the difference? It's recommending other items that are related to the item they're looking at without necessarily fitting into the same category. And that right there is the difference between using AI-based recommendations and standard tag-based recommendations. So please tell your developer or ERS to take a look at Clevlu for your recommendation system. And this doesn't have to be an e-commerce store. It can work with any type of store, any type of service-based business. But I'm using e-commerce because it provides a simple way to look at it. Alright guys, you see tools like Clevlu and tools like Algolia, if you use it right now, will give you a big advantage. So check it out, or get your developers to check it out and have them set it up on your site or app. Now, some of you may not have any developers. Maybe you use Shopify, maybe you use WordPress, maybe you did have one and a custom build and they abandoned it. No problem, you can actually contact me. The link is in the description to my website, or you can send me a message on YouTube as well. Alright, so that's it. If you are interested in this kind of stuff, you found the video useful, give it a like and head to my digital business dojo. The link is in the description. It provides resources like this and many other things to help you succeed in your online business. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.